This one is a synchronous generator, so make like this one. And this one is V terminal voltage, it is written like this one. Okay. Armature resistance has armature resistance Ra, this is equal to 0, and synchronous reactance X is 12%. Okay. So corresponding to question, excitation voltage E at the angle delta, written like this one. Armature current, okay, written corresponding to this one. What about Ra, that is 0, and synchronous reactance, that is 0.12 pu. Okay, this one is also xpu is also written as, that is S divided by ZB, and ZB means V divided by Ia, that is base voltage, sorry, that is base impedance. This base impedance defined by rated voltage divided rated current. Rated current is armature current, that's why that is rated voltage and rated current. So SA into Ia divided by V. Okay. Now how can solve? Our motto, find its full load voltage regulation. Our motto, determine voltage regulation. I know that voltage regulation defined as E minus V divided by V into 100. Percentage voltage regulation is defined like this one. Okay. Now first one, part first, I know that is E is equal to V plus Ia into S because of synchronous generator, or you can say that is alternator. This one is called alternator. Okay, this one is called alternator, that's why E is written as V plus Ia into X, Ia into ZS. Okay, so and corresponding to question, it has full load. So what about V? V is written as 1 at the angle 0, that is reference. Rated voltage in the terms of in pu is written like this one. What about armature current? That is 1, in magnitude wise 1. Why? Because of its given full load, that's why. Okay. Now corresponding to 0.8 power factor, first one, at 0.85 lagging power factor means cos theta, this is equal to 0.85. so what about theta? That is 31 point something 75, or what? Cos inverse 0.85, it is written as 31.78. Okay, clear? That is 31.78. Now another way, what about Ia? If you want to written Ia, that is 1 at the angle minus 31.78. Why is minus 31? Because of lagging power factor. If this one is a lagging power factor, it means it is written corresponding to minus. Okay, if power factor is leading, then this one is written as plus. If voltage take reference like this one, then this current also, this current, if voltage take reference, then Ia is written as corresponding lagging power factor like this one. Okay, so putting here, E this equal to V 1 at the angle 0 plus Ra this equal to 0. So what about Ia? Ia this equal to 31 minus 78 into ZS is J 0.12, means 1 at the angle 0 plus 1 minus 31.78, 0.12 at the angle 90 degree. So finally, with the help of calculator, 1 at the angle minus 31.78 into 0.12 at the angle 90 degree. It is written like, it is written like this one and this one. Okay, now plus 1 is adding, then we got that is 1.06808 at the angle 5.48 pu in the terms of pu. Okay, all in pu. This one is also written in pu. Okay, now so what about voltage regulation? Voltage regulation is written as E, this equal to, this one is the magnitude, so 1.068 minus 1 into 100, we got 6.8%. So voltage regulation is 6.8%. Clear? When power factor is lagging, 0.85 lagging, then what about voltage regulation? Voltage regulation is 6.8%. We got 6.8%. Okay, now another way, when in case of leading power factor, second one at leading power factor means what about IA? IA is written as 1 at the angle plus 31.78, and what about V? V is also 1 at the angle 0. If V 1 at the angle 0, then cos theta this will be equal to 0.85 in this case. Okay, so what about excitation voltage? E this will be equal to V plus IA into X. 1 at the angle 0 plus 1 at the angle plus 31.78 into ZS is J 0.12. So 1 plus plus 1, that is 0.9423 at the angle, that is 6.214 pu. Okay, so what about voltage regulation in this condition? 0.9423 minus 1 divided by 1 into 100, we got 0.9423 minus 1, that is 5.77% minus voltage regulation is negative, that is 5.77%. Clear? When power factor leading, then what about voltage regulation? We got minus 5.77. Now another way, power factor at unity power factor. At unity power factor, in case of unity power factor, written as third case, at UPF, cos theta is 1, means theta this will be equal to 0 degree. So what about IA? IA is written as 1 at the angle 0 degree, and V is also like this one, then that is 1 at the angle 0, J 0.12, so 1 plus J 0.12. Okay, it's very easy. 1 plus 0.12 J is converted into 1.12 00717 at the angle 6.8. So what about voltage regulation corresponding to this condition? 1.00717 minus 1 divided by 1 into 100. Percentage voltage regulation is, we got, that is 0.717%. Voltage regulation is 0.717%. Okay. Now another way, last one. Corresponding to question. Also the power factor of rated load which provide voltage regulation is negative. Voltage regulation is negative means we are negative, means you can say that E minus V divided by V, this equal to, corresponding to question, that is 0.1 V, 0.1 minus 0.1. okay. Voltage regulation only possible in case of power factor, if power factor is leading, then receiving voltage is greater than sending in voltage. Check here, that is V, this equal to 0.1 V. So what about E? V minus 0.1 V, that is 0.9 V. okay. Now another way, E this equal to 0.9 V. Now another way, you can say that power factor is leading only in case of voltage regulation is negative. okay, or you can say that if voltage regulation is negative, then power factor is, you can say that, leading. Clear? Now if you follow this method, then you can put here, that is 0.9 V at the angle delta, this will equal to 1 at the angle 0. And what about IA? IA is 1 at the angle plus theta. Why plus theta? Because of negative voltage regulation, negative means leading power factor. okay. Rated load means current is 1 ampere. okay. Rated voltage also we have taken 1, so that is J 0.12. If you follow this method, then it is very difficult. Why? This side is delta and this side is theta, but our motto, we are focused on theta. So with the help of also calculate with the help of trigonometry, but it's very difficult. So our advice, don't follow this method. We follow with the help of, you can solve this problem with the help of phasor diagram. I know that in case of, it is clear, synchronous generator at leading power factor, what is the formula? E square is equal to V cos theta plus IARA to the whole square plus V sin theta minus IA into to the whole square. E this equal to, that is 0.9 V to the whole square, that is V cos theta to the whole square. This one is 0. So V sin theta minus IAS to the whole square. If you divide it by B and here V square, we got 0.81. This will equal to, this one is, this value is 0.12. So that is cos square theta plus this one is written as sin square theta plus 0.12 the whole 0.12 whole square minus of 0.04 0.24 sin theta. This value is 1. So what about sin theta? Sin theta is written as, it is 8.1 minus minus 0.24. So 1.0144 minus 0.81 like this one, divide by 0.24, that is we got 0.85, 0.85166 whatever. Shift sin inverse 0.85, that is 58. So theta this will equal to 58.3934. So what about cos 58 point something, that is got cos theta, cos 58.3934, it is given written as 52 0.52408 leading. Okay, so you can say that it is written as 0.52408 leading. Clear? Make it. Now corresponding to question, if 1000 kVA S naught, that is rated, is given, 1000 kVA means it is written as 1 MVA, okay, and line voltage, that is 6.6 kV, that is line voltage, okay. Star connected means per phase VPH this will equal to 6.6 divided by root 3, okay, it is 6.6 divided by root 3, that is 3.81 kilovolt, okay. Connected to cylindrical pole synchronous generator. Synchronous generator represent like this one, terminal voltage V at the angle 0, that is reference, okay, that is S, and E this will equal to E at the angle delta. Armature current like this one, and a load connected like this one, that is load. And what about load? Power factor, that is 1. Corresponding to question, you can say that synchronous reactance, that is 20 ohm, okay. Neglect armature resistance. Armature resistance are neglected, okay, that's why we have not represent here armature resistance. Consider operation at full load, means IA rated, okay, this one is rated, this one is also rated, okay, that is also rated. At unity power factor represent like this one. If you want to represent in circuit, so it is represent like this one, and this one JX, and this one is a load, represent load like this one, and terminal voltage V this will equal to V at the angle 0, that is reference voltage, okay, and load, that is power factor is 1, okay, unity power factor, that's why power factor is written 1, PF this will equal to 1. And what about, that is E this will equal to E at the angle delta. It is you can say that per phase representation, that is per phase representation of synchronous generator, synchronous generator. Okay, clear? So simple, a network, just like a network. So our motto determine E this equal to, what about armature current? Armature current represent like this one. So first of all determine armature current. Okay, with the help of, that is three phase. This one is S naught is written VL into IA or 3 VPH into IA. So IA is written as 1 into 10 to power 6 divided by root 3 into VL. VL is 6.6. Okay. So what about IA in magnitude wise? 10 to, and this one is also written as 10 to power 3. Why? Because 6.6 in kilovolt. Okay. So 1000 divided by root 3 like this one, after that 6.6, that is 87 point something, that is 87.4773 ampere. Okay. And what about power factor? Power factor is 1. So IA is written as 87.477 at the angle 0 degree. Why? Because of power factor is unity, and voltage, power factor IA, why written is at the angle 0? Because VE, always power factor angle means angle between V and IA. Okay. If V angle is 0, and according to question say power factor is unity, means angle between V and I is 0. If V is V at the angle 0, V is written as per phase voltage corresponding, that is V at the angle 0, that is reference voltage. So IA is also written like this one. Okay, corresponding to unity power factor. Otherwise, if this one is a alpha, then this is also written as alpha at unity power factor. Okay, because of unity power factor means angle between V and I. This one is V and angle I. Okay, clear? Y is written as at the angle 0, decided by this voltage. Okay, now E is equal to V plus IA into ZS, that is per phase induced EMF, or you can say the per phase excitation. This is equal to V plus IA into ZS. V is equal to 3.81 at the angle 0 degree, or better to write 10 to power 3 in kilovolt in volt at the angle 0, plus IA 87.477 at the angle 0. And what about ZS? ZS is 20J, so 20 at the angle 90 degree. Clear? So finally written as, that is 4.192 in kilovolt at the angle 24.66 kilovolt. Clear? If you want to written in our motto, determine in line voltage per phase in line, E excitation voltage in the terms of line voltage. So EL is equal to root 3 times. And what about delta? Delta is 24.66 degree. Okay. We got, that is kilovolt. So 4.192 into root 3, that is 7.260 kilovolt is the answer. Okay, make it.